Hi traders, here's a new video. First of all, the risk warning. Your invested capital may be at risk. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose, and this video is not an investment advice. So this video is a deep explanation video about the candlestick patterns. Another candlestick pattern. I try to cover those one which are based on the gaps, because at the beginning, you know, when I started to doing candlestick pattern here in my ebook. Get this ebook, it's for free. You'll find the link in the description. This ebook contains the most important candlestick pattern, chart pattern, binary option, turbo trading concepts, market condition, trend identification, rejection, candlestick math, and a lot of more concepts which can be applied to any kind of financial instrument and any kind of time frame. So get this ebook, it's for free. You'll find the link in the description, and in the description you will find also the link to the Facebook group. Join the Facebook group, don't miss this. Yes. So, and when I have done here the candlestick patterns, yes, I covered only those one which are based or which had no gap. Yes, because IQ option was not showing any kind of gap, and so it was not important to show you those kind of candlestick patterns, because IQ option has filled those gaps, and also other brokers, yes, has filled this kind of gaps with random data, yes, and so they were not shown up. But those candlestick patterns, yes, which are important, overall reversal candlestick patterns, which are important. If you see those gaps, yes, you can understand what the market is going to do. Yes. So on the last one, I have explained the Harami. Yes, you see here the Harami, where I showed you that this one here gaps up, yes, or gaps down here, here, and then it goes down, yes, and here it's gaps up, it's gaps up here. This is a gap here, this small part here. Let me show you this. So and maybe I will show you also those kind of trades and in live trading. So we have first of all a gap down, yes, and then price goes further down, yes, and here we have a gap up, yes. So here gap up, yes, and then price goes up from this level. Yes, that is what the Harami is. The wicks and all things should be included into this kind of body of the previous candle. Yes, and then you have a good Harami, yes, and that is a good reversal pattern. Yes. So, and now I'm gonna show you, or in this video I'm gonna talk about the meeting line and the counterattack lines. Yes, and there are the bullish meeting line is the meeting line, yes, and the bearish meeting line is a counterattack, also called counterattack line, and I will show you how that looks like. That are reversal patterns, yes, and I have to get here, let me get me this here, this of the Harami, yes, okay. I will take this Harami stuff here, so let me copy this, so I will make it a little bit faster. I have to remove this, and this, yes, so, and copy. So, and then we have in an uptrend, yes, you expect counterattack line, yes. Let me see this counterattack line, candlestick pattern, meeting line, candlestick pattern. It sounds better. Yes, okay. So, and so we will talk here about the counterattack, and it's looking like this one here. I will write it down. Bearish meeting line, yes, or counterattack. Bearish meeting line or counterattack line. So you know, they use mostly so often different names for the same thing. So counterattack line. So, and I'm gonna show you now how this looks like and how you trade them. So we have here support and resistance area. Yes, I will remove this a little bit higher, so it's more adapted, because we need space, because we are talking here about candlestick patterns which are based on gaps. Yes, so we have this kind of candlesticks here. We are going in an uptrend. Yes, this is all showing an uptrend. I have to remove this Harami stuff here. So, and then after this we need a reversal pattern. Yes, because the bearish meeting line or counterattack line is a bearish reversal pattern. That's the reason why I start with this. So, and then we get a gap up. Yes, a gap up is almost something like this. Yes, I would say something like this, really far away. Yes, and then the candlestick goes down. Yes, till this level. Yes, exactly. The real body of the gap up candle. Yes, here this is a gap. Yes, this is a gap. So we have here a gap. And we have here mostly also some wicks or something. Yes, but this candlestick here closes exactly or nearly the previous closing price of this bullish candle here. Yes, because we are in an uptrend. The support and resistance area is here in between. Yes, it can be in between of this gapped up candle, and then this candle goes down, closes at the level of the previous closing price, and that is what the bearish meeting line is. Yes, and after this you can expect that price will go down. Yes, I will do this here in this case. So, or you wait for a rejection from the support and resistance area on the next candle. Yes, so I will draw this like always here, a rejection from the support and resistance area. I will move the support and resistance area a little bit lower, so it's not so confusing. So, and or you wait from a rejection from the previous candle wick. Yes, so if this candlestick has a wick here, you wait till price got above this level and then below this level of this wick, and that is what I'm showing you here with this line. Yes, and then you enter into a put, because that is a reversal pattern, and that is based on the gaps. Yes, and that's the reason why I'm explaining this. So, and the same is valid for the meeting line. Yes, a bullish meeting line, which has no special name. Yes, it's only the meeting line, bullish meeting line. And let me see if I can show you here this kind of stuff. I will do this a little bit lower. Yes, so, and this one I will create here. So in this one we will make a little bit higher. So because we need a gap down first. Yes, and that is the thing, bullish. Yes, bullish meeting line. Yes, meeting line, it's the same thing, bullish meeting line. I have to discuss some more. Maybe I will do this also in the next video, some more, because we have weekend. You see the assets are closed, and so I have time to do some deep explanation videos about candlestick pattern, because those ones are important when I'm gonna start with my Forex stuff. You see, I'm doing all my things have a reason. I start to do these things because it's time soon. So to do this, so let me see. I will remove those one here, and also on the bullish meeting line, the same stuff. Yes, I will explain this again here, so you understand this. We have first of all a gap down. In this case, we have a gap down. Yes, so I will remove also this one here a little bit lower. Yes, so, and that can everything be. Yes, it's not only EMA, Fibonacci level, it could be trend line, everything. Yes, so that's so, and SMR, trend line, Bollinger Band. What yeah, trend line? I had to add here trend lines. All kind of support and resistance area. Yes, so trend lines. Let me see, trend line. So trend line, so, and SNR, okay, and whatever. Yes, so okay, that is this one. I will move it a little bit higher, so the space. So, and then this candlestick here closes, yes, at this level of the previous closing price. Yes, or near this one. Yes, and then you can expect that the next candle will go up. Also here you can use all the support and resistance area, yes, to get this. Yes, this is a gap down here. Yes, let me write this also here, this level here, or you use this kind of level here. Let me do a little smaller. Yes, or you use this level here, yes, to enter into a trade when it rejects from some kind of wick of the previous candle. Yes, or from this kind of support and resistance area. Yes, which is also okay. because if it goes too close, too low, if the support and resistance area is too far away, it could be probably that price came back and the next candle could be a red one, yes, because it's not meaning that it will reverse immediately the trend, yes. Mostly it can happen. So that is why I tell you to wait for some kind of evidence in any kind of type of rejection, yes. It's a signal of a reversal, yes, but it has not to be immediately. It's the same thing what is with a pin bar. Yes, a pin bar is a reversal signal, but it mostly retraces at 50%. Yes, that means that the next candle could be also a retracement of 50%, and then it could be a red one. Yes, for binary option turbo trading, it's important that the next candle does what it's important that it goes in that direction. Yes, but in Forex, it's almost not so important because you have all the time. If you understand that this will be a reversal pattern, yes, you can enter into a trade here at this level, and then it's okay because then you wait, you do your stop loss here below, and you enter at the support and resistance area, yes, and then you say, okay, if it goes back, you get the stop loss triggered, or you get a good profit, yes, out of this bullish meeting line, yes, if you are in an uptrend. So that is this one, yes, and as you see, it's not complicated, it's easy. Important is only that you can recognize them, that you know how they look like. I have to draw here, I have to write here down some thing here. For example, gaps, yes, gaps up, yes, this one here is gaps up. So let me write gap up, yes, gap up. So, and I put it here. So gap up. And important, this is important to know those kind of candlestick patterns, yes. Also, if they are not occurring so often, yes. But if you, but they will occur, yes, and it's important that you know what happens here, yes, what is happening here, so you can act on them, yes. That are almost those things, yes. If you know how doji looks like, yes, you can react on a doji, yes, and you know what it means. So, okay, I think that is it, yes. That was the bullish meeting line and the counterattack line. Those one based on gaps, yes, that are the clear sign. It's also a little bit, they are not difficult to distinguish, yes. You wait only for a gap, and after that the price will come back to the previous level here, yes, this level here, close to the real body. Important is the real body, yes, not the wicks, and then you enter into a trade, in a reversal trade, yes. And that is also the important thing is why I'm telling you these things about the reversal pattern, because if we are doing Forex, we will do mostly reversal trades. Yes, why we are doing reversal trades? Because the probability of a reversal is 80%. Yes, at this kind of levels. Yes, if you have a pullback, for example, you have 80% success. Yes, and the trend continuation in Forex is on a higher time frame, obviously much more reliable, yes, but if you are in this kind of time frame which you are trading, it's mostly only 60%, like I have told, and that is a problem. 80% versus 60%, yes. So you need a reversal, yes, a reversal on higher time frame, so that you can get into a trend in a lower time frame. But this I will explain then when I'm doing those Forex trading stuff. Yes, important here is only that you understand that you cannot enter here blindly into the next trade. You have to wait for some kind of evidence evidence on this kind of rejection. Yes, you need a rejection here, or from the support and resistance area, yes, which this kind of meeting line or counterattack line is breaking. Yes. Or from the wicks here from the previous candle, yes. Also here, on this Harami, I have shown you this, yes. Here could be also wicks, yes, and those wicks, yes, of the are not so important because they are close, but those wicks of the previous candle here, this one here, yes, can be important to understand if price will go down or not, because that rejection here, yes, could be also from the wick here about before. That is what I tried to explain you. So you see that kind of candlestick pattern is not really complicated. Yes, it's easy to understand. I will show you some live trading based of them when they appear. Yes, they are not so often, but when they will appear, I will show you this so that you'll see how I trade them. You know that it's like all other candlestick pattern which I have explained. I trade them if they appear. I will trade them. Yes, and that is also one of those ones when I see them that are mostly sure trades for me. Yes, because I wait then for a rejection from the support and resistance area or from the previous candles, which show me that there is some kind of area which could be act as a resistance area here in this case. Yes, and a support area obviously in this case. So I would say that would be enough. If you like to see you do like always. If you didn't subscribe to my channel. Yes, and if you have something to say, drop me a line in the comment section, and don't forget to join the Facebook group. So I would say stay safe and bye bye.